money. The project was originally budgeted at 844 billion naira in 2017. By 2020, the estimate jumped to $2.2 billion. Today, it sits at $2.5 billion and keeps rising as the naira loses value against the dollar. Contractors are stuck in financial negotiations. The state is battling currency volatility, and every single day of delay costs Lagos another 11 billion naira in traffic losses. But there is finally a flicker of movement. In February 2025, Lagos State allocated funds for technical studies and urban renewal tied to the Fort Mainland Bridge. That is government speaks for final engineering designs and environmental approvals, the last steps before construction.